I think I'm ready to make this happen. Not too nervous. Hey guys, welcome to the last video in this build series. I'll get to the painting and assembly stuff in a moment, but if you're just here to see the finished product, then here it is. The legendary Vladov Infinity Pistol from Borderlands 2. There will be more footage of this at the end of the video. Feel free to click that like button before you skip to the end. And if you're curious now about how this was built, you can click right up here and find the first video in this series so you can follow along. If you've been following along since the first video, thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it. And I don't want to waste any more of your time than to just say that there wasn't much to say on the painting process on this pistol that hasn't already been said in other videos that I've done on Borderlands paintings, which you can again find right up here. So this first half of this video is going to be a lot of time-lapse and royalty-free music, so enjoy. All right, kind of a big moment. Time to start painting. I've got my paints here, my subjects here, airbrush, cleaners, and source material. Let's do it. That's all the airbrushing complete, so now we move on to brush painting. Alright, that is gross painting done. Now before I put on the black outlines and details, I'm going to coat it all in a Krylon clear flat. Because for one, some of these paints are kind of a satin finish and others are very flat finish. So that's going to take all of those finishes and make them one uniform flat sheen. And the other thing it's going to do is protect the paint. Now I'm going to paint on the black cartoon lines. And you're probably wondering why I didn't paint those on before the protective finish. And the reason is I use a special black paint called Black 2.0. And this black is so flat that it's actually flatter than the Krylon flat finish that I put on here. So if I put the Krylon over this black paint, it would defeat the purpose of using this black paint. And here we are, 17 hours of painting later, and it's time for final assembly. I don't really know where to begin with this, so I think that's gonna be last, that's gonna be last. Those might be first, last, you're gonna go on after that. Blue stuff to the front. Okay. Apparently it's gonna cut my paint job up. That sucks. Why don't we start with the magazine. It needs to sit right there and it needs to sit super straight. Well, let's get a whole lot of super glue on this so that it never comes off. That. Okay, that's good. I'll start attaching small pieces now. This will be next. All right, here we go. This piece goes on here. Good, good, good. I can put this little piece on next. So, touch up paint on the back of that, but that's fine. I'm gonna wait on that. How about these pieces? Don't overdo it this time, Tom. That is good. Barrels next. Sorry, that's not on camera, but I gotta line these up. It's more important that these come out perfectly lined up than that I get this on film. Sorry, not sorry. Now the rear sight. Okay. I'm gonna put this piece on next. Let's see. All right, we're gonna glue this piece in there and then squeeze those shut on it. Also, I want to glue this on. Put a little bit of glues here. I'm going to put this piece on here. I'm going to put this on. This is going to glue onto there. I'm just enjoying it without the sight right now because I want to put the sight on. Enough. So for the sight, we're just going to use a massive amount of super glue because I don't have a whole lot of purchase. I'm going to fill these holes up pretty good for one. I'm going to try to minimize squeeze out, but I don't think that's really all that possible. I think we're just going to have a whole lot of squeeze out. Hold on to your butts. Boom. All right, that's pretty good. Wow, okay, I can't believe I didn't get any squeeze out. That's good, but I am going to want a little more glue. Keep that welded in there. For that, I'm going to use the thin stuff. I really hate to do this. This always goes everywhere, every time. So we're just going to hold our breath and try it. Here we go. Oh my God, I did it. Oh, that was good. Okay. Bullseye. Nobody touch anything. All right, one more piece. Right there is good. Done. Finished. Vengeful Infinity. Can't see it all in frame right there, but you'll get the idea in just a minute.
You ain't a skag, are you? Old TK's Jack is just a derelict shell. Ain't nothing left now but his notes and the smell. He used to watch over the fire and the stone. Fan fiction told me that he died all alone. Splash, bang, so corrosive, don't get close if it's explosive. Flash, gang, caustic crew, simmer and smoke in electric blue. Hiss goes the radio, vicious, malicious, a voice we know. Soon to reap the seeds you sow, bringing you the pain. Come on down and join the party tonight. We ain't the kind to turn away from a fight. Chips on the shoulder, sweat and dirt on our hands. Cause we're breaking down the borders as we light up the land, yeah! Come on, drink out your ride. Oh, you know they say, better to die with the wheel crash and burn. Oh, instead of die when you're not in your car. I hate you, claptrap. Come on down and join the party tonight. We ain't the kind to turn away from a fight. Chips on the shoulder, sweat and dirt on our hands. Cause we're breaking down the borders as we light up the land, yeah!
What are you doing? the video's over. Get out of my shop.